Do you want to get started jumping rope but don't know where to begin?
Because I don't know what the hell I'm doing, Casey.
Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna break down everything. The gear you need, how you jump rope properly, and how to build a beginner routine. So grab your rope and let's get jumping.
I have a date with a jump rope.
All of the equipment you see in today's video is available down below. First things first, the gear.
What gear?
You don't need fancy equipment at all, but a good rope makes all the difference in the world. I recommend starting with a weighted jump rope, something like the 1/4 pound one that I have from Cross Rope.
And why would I do that?
Now you might be saying, why would I use a weighted jump rope? Well, it gives you better feedback and helps you get better rhythm earlier. Now, if you're curious more about weighted jump ropes, I'm gonna leave a link to the video I have down below where I tell you everything you need to know about weighted jump ropes.
Just watch the video.
Now let's make sure that jump rope is the right size for you. You want to step in the middle of the jump rope and make sure the handles reach your armpits. And if it's an adjustable rope, you can adjust it as needed. Next, you want to make sure that you're wearing the proper shoes.
I don't got no good shoes, Lynn.
If you're not wearing the proper shoes, it can not only cause joint pains in your knees, but it can cause foot pain and keep you from progressing in jumping. Make sure that you invest in some cross training or running shoes. Something like the shoes that you see on the screen right now is what I recommend. Now let's go over the technique.
We teach you this technique for a reason.
Hold the handles with a relaxed grip and keep your elbows close to your side. It's all about using your wrist to turn the rope. Your arms shouldn't be doing the work. Keep your jumps small, just a couple inches off the ground. This saves energy and helps you stay light on your feet. Avoid these rookie mistakes.
We've made some mistakes along the way.
Now, many beginners make rookie mistakes with jumping technique that can lead to inefficiencies and frustration. Gripping the handles too tight is a common issue, causing stiff movements that disrupt the rope's flow, making it hard to maintain rhythm. Another mistake is using a rope that's too long or too short. This can throw off your timing, leading to frequent tripping. For example, an overly long rope might drag the ground, while a short one feels like it's snapping past your head. Another mistake that I see new jumpers make is they have poor posture. Poor posture, such as hunching over or leaning back, can cause an imbalance, an unnecessary strain, often making jumps feel forced and awkward. Now, you don't want to neglect the basics. If you neglect the basics and skip ahead to advanced tricks, this can cause sloppy execution and slower progress in jumping rope to an advanced level. Jumping on hard or uneven surfaces not only risk injury, but also prevent you from finding the smooth rhythm essential for proper form. And this is why we use jump rope mats. And if you want to learn everything you need to know about a jump rope mat, check out the video that I have down below where I compare an expensive jump rope mat to a not so expensive jump rope mat. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll improve faster and enjoy the process more.
There, problem solved.
Okay, let's try it together. You ready? Start with the basic bounce. Swing the rope over your head and jump as it passes under your feet. Try to land softly on the balls of your feet and stay relaxed. Breathe naturally. Practice this for 30 seconds and take a short break. Repeat it for a couple times, aiming for 5 to 10 minutes of total jumping. Remember, it's okay if you trip, we all trip. Just reset and keep going. Now let's put it all together.
Obviously, you guys put it all together.
Here's a simple routine to build your endurance and your rhythm. You want to start jumping for 30 seconds. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. As you get comfortable, you can increase the jump time or decrease your rest. It's all about gradual process. Oh, you can also increase or decrease the weight of your jump rope as you get more comfortable jumping. Honestly, that all depends on your goals. We'll talk about that in a later video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Now that you've mastered the basics, you can spice it up a little with some variations, like the jogging step, the boxing step, or the crisscross. You'll see them all here on the screen. These tricks help keep jumping rope fun and challenging. You will feel a renewed sense of accomplishment as you learn new tricks. And you never run out of new tricks to learn. That's one of the best things about jumping rope. Make sure that you cool down after your workout.
Just everybody cool down for a minute.
Do some light jumping, do some jumping jacks, something just to get you calmed down and stretch after your workout. This will help you maintain your joints for the next workout. Now, if you really want to get started jumping rope, like I said earlier, make sure you're using a weighted jump rope. And if you want to know everything you need to know about a weighted jump rope, check this video out right here. I'm sure it's going to help you. And make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.